Good morning, Bassanators. Hope you're all keeping well this morning. Today I am here with my buddy and fishing partner Jean de Toit. We are at Witbank Dam. Gonna do a little bit of bass fishing. Just a fun day out. No competition, no stress. Just get out on the water and have a bit of fun. Also, we will be throwing this month's secret tackle box. Well, not throwing. We have the secret tackle box as well for this month, and we'll probably do a little bit of a challenge, or at least just try catch fish on all the baits that's in the box between myself and John. But yeah, hopefully it will be a good day at Witbank. My last two outings have been rough. I haven't really been catching fish, so hopefully Jean can change that for me today. Hello boy. So yeah, let's see how the day goes, and hopefully we can give you guys a good video. See you on the water now. Guys, this month's STB box. Let's see what's inside and what we are going to fish today. As usual, the little info about all the baits. Okay, let's start. Obviously you get your sticker. Okay, first bait. The Super Spook. Like a Zara spook bait. Top water. We've been throwing top water, so I don't know if this will work, but we will try it. The next bait, the Zero Gravity swimming jig. That's a jig I haven't seen, I haven't used. Super light. It's like featherweight. The Humbug from BWG, a local bait made here in South Africa. Pretty cool. That can be used as a trailer for a jig or something. Oh, nice. And the Strike King KVD jerk bait. A strobe shad. I think that's a nice bait. I think that's gonna maybe catch us some fish today. Definitely will see if we can get that going. And then the Excite baits, also a BWG product that BWG brings in. It's a raptor tail chunk. This also can be used as a trailer on a jig head or anything like that. I've used this before and I've caught nice fish with this, so this should work nicely. And then lastly, a little extra, some stickers from the Venom lures, just to put on your bait boxes so that you know what's what. Jigs, lipless, shaky heads. Nice little concept. So what we will do today, myself and John, we're not going to do any like crazy challenge against each other or anything, because we just want to have a bit of fun today and fish. So we will load up all these baits that's in the box and actually try and catch a fish from each one of them. We will load them on now and hopefully catch a fish with each one of them and give you guys some good footage.
So that gravity jig with this is a trailer, so 2 baits in one. Let's see if I can get a fish on that. That's 2 baits. So if you guys have any comments on jigs and how you guys swim jigs and what you use, what line you use, rods you use, what's your favorite jigs, and comment below, and yeah, we can have a chat about it. I don't know if you can see the bait there in the water, very slow sinking, which is weird. I'm not used to jigs sinking so slow. Usually they're heavy. Right guys, so I'm going to try the chunk bait on a Ned rig that I've already got set up. Wasn't the plan, but yeah, let's see if maybe I get onto something decent here with this. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's give that a try. See if I can catch something with that.
A few minutes later.
Oh, there you go. On the Ned rig. So on the rock. Bait 1, STB, done finally. And a nice fish. Nice competition fish. And he took it softly, bro. Like I felt it go over a rock, and then I felt this like almost like I was getting stuck, but then he sort of started swimming to the one side, and I just almost a kilo, just under a kilo, and bait 1 down. Good start. Here's a bite. There we go. Right at the bottom. Stay down.
It's quite peaceful, eh?
Yeah. Sheesh, nice. This Ned rig is turning out to be the savior for me today. Another nice fishy on the Ned rig with the, what do you call this bait? The turd from, he was going no, yeah, he was going nowhere. Nice fishy, nice fishy. At least I'm already having a better day than my last 2 outings. So some fish catching for you guys. Now a release.
That's alright. Swing this one. Quite. Finally, a fish, dude. I'm on the board. switch it on when I hook it. I said to you. Okay.
Decent fish, bro. This is a very good fish. That's a nice fish. Skinny, but big fish. Well done, John. Biggest fish of the day so far. Very good fish. Oh, fish on.
Fish on?
Yeah. Ooh.
That's a fish.
Oh, it's gone into the grass now. Come, where are you stuck now? He's in the grass. I can feel him twitching still. I don't know if he's big. Yeah, he's coming out now. Nice. Stop!
They make me fucking leave all my stuff for you.
Holy crap, dude.
Took you hard.
It took me hard straight into the grass, and I think then I started pulling a whole lot of grass with it, and it felt bigger. Look at this. This little guy made us think we were on to like a 2 kilo. Little bugger. You cute little shit. There we go.
It pulls a bit of rabbit.
Not that big, but he gave a good fight, eh? There we go. Ooh. He's swimming towards me. He was swimming towards me. hey, no. Woo! Yeah. Look at that. The fish we were looking for. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, here it is. The fish we were looking for, finally. It's not the biggest, but it's still a good size. Cool, man. 1.8. Finally, my biggest fish for Witbank. So guys, today was actually quite a fun day out for me and John. Caught a few fish, but on the STB box side, all the moving baits just didn't work. The fish weren't after the jerk bait, they weren't after top water. Everything that worked for me was the Ned rig. So I managed to catch on the craw, and that was it. I threw the jig out, super light jig. I was very out of my element fishing with this. I've never fished a jig that barely sinks. Something to get used to, but I got 1 or 2 bites and didn't really get any fish on it. And then yeah, this bait also had, I think, 2 good takes and just couldn't land a fish with it. So yeah, it was a bit of a struggle to get the STB stuff completed, but other than that, we caught some good fish. My last fish of the day was a 1.8, and yeah, that was on a Texas rig, Cullen B ringer worm. So yeah, Texas rigged, that worked for me. Slow rolling, hitting the rocks, and yeah, so that was our day.
Hope you guys enjoyed that footage, and look into the STB. Remember, I keep telling you guys this, 20 Rand off your first box if you get STB. Lots of fun, you get really cool baits. Obviously today these baits just wasn't to be, but good baits. This jerk bait really has awesome action, lots of rattle, and looks good in the water, so really worth getting a box. Remember to use Bassanator as a code for that 20 Rand discount. Anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe, please man. Support us South African YouTubers. Catch you on the next one. Peace.